Hey guys, it's Amazing Tech here with another review. Today we are going to be unboxing an EVGA 500W 80 plus certified power supply. I did buy this, so when I build my gaming PC, this will be the hard drive in it. I mean, not the hard drive, oh my gee. This will be the power supply that goes into it. EVGA is one of the best brands for power supply, and so that is why I picked it up. I do have this same exact power supply in my other desktop that this will be replacing because it's not the best. So yeah, alright, so let's unbox it. Yeah. It does come with a little user manual, and it kind of talks about how to install the power supply. If you never have, it's pretty much common sense once you built one or two, but yeah. Alright, and this pulls up. You got your power cable here, power cable. Alright, and then we got the hard drive. Move the box all the way. Here's the hard drive. And this one, the cables are connected, they don't plug in. I can't think of what that's called right now, where they can plug in, but yeah. Here it is. And this is the power supply that will be going in my, this is the power supply that will be going into my gaming laptop. I mean, oh my freaking gosh. This is the power supply that will be going into my gaming PC. It's not very big. Obviously, power supplies really aren't. That's all I have for today. You will be seeing another video posted here in a little bit. Don't know exactly when. A couple days from now, I don't know. But it's going to be about a Roswell FBM01 case that I got off Newegg. Now I got the power supply off Amazon. Alright, I'll leave a link to this power supply down below. So if you want to get it, that's where you can pick it up. Once again, this is Acceptable Tech signing off.